Pororo! Order second get rich dumplings! Step right in! The best in town! Yummy! I want This restaurant was once like that, too.
Welcome! What kind of noodles would you like?
Kalguksu, please.
Coming right up!
Let's make a bowl of Kalguksu. Chop, chop, cut the dough with a knife. Plop, plop, boil the noodles in the pot.
Here's your
Whoa.
Kalguksu!
So yummy.
Bouncy, bouncy, the noodles bouncy, bouncy.
How is it this delicious?
Yum, yum.
The best noodle house in our whole town. How is it this delicious? One bibim-guksu, please.
Okay, your noodles will be out soon. Let's make a bowl of bibim-guksu. Swish, swish, rinse the noodles in water. Mix it, stir in the yummy sauce. Here's your bibim-guksu.
So good.
Chewy, chewy, the noodles chewy, chewy.
How is it this delicious?
Yum, yum.
The best noodle house in our whole town. How is it this delicious?
Oh, Grandma, do you think I can really keep the restaurant going?
Hello? Are you open?
Welcome, take a seat.
A bowl of janchi-guksu, please.
I'll make it yummy for you. Bubble, bubble, boil the noodles. Colorful toppings go right on top. Pour the warm broth all over.
It's a little bland. Next time, I'll just go next door.